In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off storage sense on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select storage. And then underneath storage management, storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.